Welcome back with the regular puzzles in today's newspaper of Monday. Yes, new week, new puzzles. Monday, February the 19th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 Stars Sudoku. So 2 puzzles remain, the 4 Stars Sudoku and the binary. And today is day number 135. 135 days ago the war started. Another war started, yeah, another war, the second war in Israel against Hamas, and they are still continuing, and maybe they want to enter Rafah. Well, it will be a disaster if they enter Rafah. Anyway, enough about the war. In this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do in the evening, I will solve the rest of the puzzles of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, February the 18th and 17th, 2024. We have 5 puzzles, total of 5 puzzles left, but that is in the evening. Let me continue with these 2 regular puzzles, and the puzzle I will do now is the 4 Stars Sudoku number 8031. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time than then you will need more time to solve. But for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Yeah. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Usually the 4 Stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 1 less. Should be at 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. But it's indicated with the 4 stars. So 30 minutes or more. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars Sudoku? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. Let me see, which number can I pick? How about the number, well, let me see, which number I can pick. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, only 3 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 in the column next, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then 5, need a 3 there. Come on. Let me see. 8, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Let me start with the 1. One of the number is a 1. We have a 1 in the last column, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. And one of the missing number in this big square is number 8. We have an 8 in this column, last column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3. Oh. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this column, middle column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 7, and I need a 6 here. Well. Okay. 1. 7. No. Need a 7 here. 7. Come on. 8. Need a 4 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 1. 3, need a 5, 3, 5. That number should be there. 8, 8. Come on, come on, come on. No 9 here, no 9, 9, 9, 9. No 9 here, no 9 here, 9, 9, 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Well, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 1 in last row, 1 in the row above, so that row, only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there, 1, could be here, could be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left for the 3, could be here, could be there. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4, could be here, could be there. 2, 1, 9, come on, come on. Need a 3 here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column, so in the first column, there are only 2 places left for the 2, could be here, could be there. 2, 2, need a 2 there. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 in this box. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. Come on, come on, come on. 2, 2. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 7, 7, 7. 5 in this row, 5 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Need a 5 here, need a 5 here, and I need a 5 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hidden number. Yeah, we got you the hidden number. This box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be a 5, can be 6, can be 7, can be an 8. Should be 9. Yeah, hidden number 9. Okay. So we have a 9 in this column, first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 2, okay, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Need a 9 there. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 1 here. 1. Need a 1 there. Come on, come on. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and a 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in the last row, so no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for them are the 1 and the 2. The 3. 4 is missing. Yeah. So the 7 and the 8, okay. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 4 there because we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So not the solution, place the 4 there, the only place left for the 4 should be here then. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. Need 3 there. And I need 5, 2, 8, 3. Well. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 3, need a 6. And I need a 7. 7 should be here. 3, 6. Need a 7 here. 7 and a 6. Come on, come on, come on. 7 and a 6. Need a 5. 2, 2, need a 2. Need a 3. Need a 5. Need a 4 here. 1, 9, 8, 8. 2, 1, 1, 2, 5, 9. 9, 9, 9. 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Come on, come on, come on. 8. 8, 8, 8. Let me put some numbers. These two missing numbers in the last row are the numbers 1. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8. I hate to split those numbers. It's not written in a big square. The chance is make an error is higher. Yeah. Here also 2 numbers left. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. 4, 6 and the 7. Come on, come on, come on. 1. How about this? Can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Could be a 6, could be a 7. Can be an 8, can be 9. Yes, 7 or 6, this box. 1, 7, 6. Need a number. The 8, I need 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there then. Yeah. Well, here can be an 8. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 8 there. Only place left for the 8 should be here then. Here. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this big square, no 8 there. Here can be... Here should be an 8. Here can be an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Well. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column 3, the middle column. The only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 7 and the 6 are left here. Okay. Here we have 7 and the 8. We have an 8 in this big square, so this box should be a 7 then. 1 box left in the last row for number 8 then. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 7 and a 6. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. We have a 4 in this row, last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 4. Could be here, could be there. Together with the 2, yeah, we have a pair. The 1, the 2 is missing, 2 and a 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place level 2 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row, no 4 there. The only place left for the 4, I should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, 6 is missing. 4 and 6. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next. The only 2 places left for the 6 goes together with the 3. Yes, a pair. 3, 3, okay. Then I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. Need an 8 here. Need an 8 there. Okay. How about need a 3 here. 3, 7. Well, one of the missing number in this big square is the number 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the 7 could be here, could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So this box can be 7 or more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 3. three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3 in this big square. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 in these two boxes. So one box left on 3 in this big square should be there. Two numbers left in the last column for numbers 7 and 6, I believe. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in the middle. Well, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. I've marked this box with 7 and a 6. We have a 6 there, so this box should be a 7. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 3 and 6. 3 and 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places left for the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. Two numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. And 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. Let me mark those. Here we have a 6. Here we have a 6. That means in the first row, the 6 should be in one of those two boxes. Yeah. Because this box can be a 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, here, or there. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have a 6 in this second column, no 6 there. So the only place left with the 6 should be there, and I've eliminated here the 9. So the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We already have a 2 in the second row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. And now, 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes in there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 3 should be in there. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 now in the second row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places left for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And one box left in this third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. So we have an 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only place left for the row, 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for numbers, same numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final two numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and then 9 goes there, finish in 18 minutes. Well. We solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. I'm faster than 20 minutes, so should be at 2 stars. If I'm faster than 50 minutes, then it will be a 1 star. So I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.